Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from the blog newbieaffiliatemarketer.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about one website where you can go and get free traffic for affiliate marketing. Okay, so before we head over and show you that one, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, we basically make videos about affiliate marketing, blogging, email marketing, and making money online. So if any of those things are of interest to you, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now and hit the notification bell straight away, so then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, so let's head over to the desktop and show you exactly which site is going to get you all this traffic. Okay, so the site we are going to be talking about today is Cora. Now, Cora is a question and answer site, and it basically covers most of the niches out there. So if you want to just come in and search in the bar here, your keywords, I'm sure you will find questions that people have actually asked about your particular niche. So now the thing is, what we want to do is then go in and answer those questions. But before we go into more of that, let's just show you how powerful Cora is. Now, I haven't been on Cora for probably about at least 3 or 4 weeks, so nearly a month probably. I don't go on it all the time. I seem to go on it a little bit and then come back. And the reason for that is, if I look at my stats here, you will see these are my stats for the last 30 days. So as you can see, I've actually had just shy of 4,000 views on my answers. Okay, I've had 11 upvotes as well. So if you go back even further and we go back 3 months, I've actually had 10,600 views. So as you can see, by placing and sharing your content through answering people's questions will not only get you views on your answers straight away, it will continue to do so. So unlike places like Facebook, Twitter, where basically you'll answer something or you'll post something and it will be gone very, very quickly. These obviously will stay around. The questions are still there. People are still answering them. People are still looking for answers to those questions. So if you then created a decent answer, you are going to get views on that. So that is really how powerful it is, guys. So that is why we use it. Okay, so the way you want to do this is obviously go in and or search for questions within Cora. So if we, for argument's sake, put in dog training for argument's sake, and then you've got loads of different things here, questions that are coming up. Who needs dog training? Why is dog training important? What is the main thing for dog training? As you can see, there's loads of different questions people have answered. So if you're into dog training and you've got products or services that you know you can offer and send people to, then the best way is literally to click on a question and then come down here and click the answer button here. And then what you want to do is create your answer here. You can also add YouTube videos, etc. into the answer as well. So if you're building a YouTube channel, it's a great way of getting traffic back to the YouTube channel as well. But what you can also do is add your answer and then link out to either a YouTube channel, YouTube video, or your blog or a blog post you've done, linking directly to affiliate programs and affiliate offers. The answer will probably get taken down. So you're best to do YouTube videos and also blog posts. But then what you can also do once you've done that and you've linked out, people will click and they will go through to your blog or they'll go through to your YouTube channel. And then a great way of continuing the traffic coming in is to then on your actual blog, so for argument's sake, this is our blog here, I then offer a 7-day boot camp. Obviously, mine's to do with affiliate marketing, so I offer a 7-day boot camp. But if it's dog training, you could obviously offer a free offer, a PDF about training your dog, that sort of thing, that people would sign up to. And then what you can do once they're in your email list, then you can then continue to offer them services, products, and also more information, which will then drive them again back to your website and to your affiliate offers. Okay, and the same can be done with your YouTube videos. As you can see, this is my account here. And as you can see, I offer the same fast track bootcamp on my YouTube channel here. And you can obviously put it in the description in your videos right here. And I will obviously do exactly the same in this video. So if you want to grab my 7-day free bootcamp series, then by all means scroll down under the video here and hit the link, which will take you through where you can grab that course. Okay, so that's how easy it is, guys, to go and do this. You can also ask questions yourself. So you can actually add a question by when you're on your account here, you can just add a question here. And again, you could then answer your own question. So that's another way that people do it as well. The two different ways, great ways. And as you can see, Cora will continue to give you views and continue to give you traffic. And then obviously, if you've utilized that traffic by then getting people on your email list, you've got a double whammy, because then you can then keep pulling people back to your offers, back to your website, back to your YouTube channel, and you'll continue to grow a very steady free traffic source. Okay, so go and sign up for a free Quora account and go and see what's around in your niche and what questions you can answer, and also what questions you can also ask and then answer yourself. Okay, I hope you found that interesting. If you did, then obviously make sure you give us a big thumbs up under the video. Also, make sure you check out the videos coming next. And if you haven't already subscribed, then make sure you do, and obviously hit the notification bell straight away so that you get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.